Hello guys, it is Blade from the BWE Entertainment. We are a developing thunderstorm right around Medina, somewhere around there. Our current outlook for today is a slight severe weather risk. So yeah, the BWE Blade Weather Entertainment it is gonna keep you on with the story. We are currently driving in the mobile Doppler radar. I'm gonna change seats so I can get y'all. We are currently in the mobile Doppler radar right now, and we are currently developing in the storm. Wow, this storm is just going to hit us pretty hard, and we are going to be entering Medina, which is going to get hit with some red soon. We're going to Norton then. Norton is where the thunderstorm is going to develop even more. Wow, this is even just wow. It looks good right now, but down there, it's not looking pretty good. Wow. If you guys look at this right now, at home right now, there's a severe thunderstorm developing. We will be right back after commercial. We are back after commercial. One sec. Now we are currently in what city? We are currently reporting from. We are currently in Chippewa Township right now. We are in the mobile Doppler right now, tracking the storm and seeing what it can do at this point. Sorry guys, but when I was at school, a severe thunderstorm alert, well, whatever it's called, it said warning, but my parents didn't read it. But I think it's a severe thunderstorm warning. Medina is going to be hit so hard right now. We will be right back. In Creston right now, it is raining currently. As you see, what looks like sunset, it's actually rain. Oh wow, a plane is taking off. I wouldn't do that unless you're forewarned. Then right now in front of us, in our front view of the mobile Doppler, we are seeing strong rain clouds. Some rain clouds. Wow, look at that. Not really.
Maybe.
It looks. Oh wait, above us is where this storm is. Currently, right now, it looks like the storm is passing over us. Right now in the morning. Earlier, really sunny, but now, I think the weather knew I got an A+ on my test and rewarded me with a thunderstorm. So yeah, this is quality content of weather alerts and radio frequencies. If there's anything else, we.
Yeah, I just saw that.
All right, guys.
Did you know that?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Said that.
After this, we will be back with you after Doppler radar.
Never heard that, but yeah, that makes sense.
So guys, we are still in the mobile Doppler. We are currently in Wadsworth, Ohio. Above us, Wayne, Medina County is gonna be hit really hard. We will be right back after commercial break. All right, guys. We are currently in Wadsworth, where we're starting to rain a little. Just this storm might form into something worse, but we do not know yet until we wait. But right about here, storm really badly. So everyone at home, tune in to, well, if you live in the Medina, Wayne, Summit area, tune in to 162.400 megahertz, which is KDO 994's National Weather Service. Part 2 is gonna come soon. I need to listen to NOAA Weather Radio. I'll be back. Peace.